Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Dr. Choice offers rolled, quick, and instant oat varieties for different cooking speeds. Choose rolled oats for chewy texture and quick oats for faster cooking. Measure 1/2 cup oats per serving and pair with 1 cup liquid like water or milk. Store unopened packages in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Transfer opened oats to an airtight container and keep in the pantry for up to 12 months. Bring 1 cup liquid to a simmer before adding 1/2 cup rolled oats for a single serving. Stir frequently and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the oats become creamy and tender. For quick oats, reduce the cooking time to 3 to 5 minutes while stirring occasionally. Use instant oats for microwave preparation and cook on high power for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. Adjust heat and time to reach your preferred texture and thickness. Add flavor while cooking by stirring in 1 tablespoon sweetener or 1 teaspoon cinnamon for balanced taste. Stir in 1 tablespoon nut butter or 1 teaspoon vanilla after cooking for richer flavor and silkier texture. Top each serving with 1 tablespoon chopped nuts, 1/4 cup fresh fruit, or 1 tablespoon seeds for texture and nutrition. Store cooled cooked oats in an airtight container and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.